Hello everybody, welcome to the first part of our tutorial that is about how to make a find pairs game using line web components. During this video, we are going to do an overview on the key Salesforce tools that will be involved in the creation of our game, and we will play that game thereafter. Let's go on. Alright, to make that game, we will use many Salesforce tools like static resources, custom fields, the Apex programming language, line web components, and record pages. Concerning the static resources, we have a zip archive that is named icon.zip that we will import into our org as a static resource that we will name LWC fun underscore icons. Concerning the custom fields, we are going to create a custom field name number of victories double underscore C. That is the API name on the contact object to record the amount of victories of the players that are contact in our case. Concerning the Apex language, we will use it to write the backend logic that will increase the value of the number of victories field on players for the different players that are contact. Okay. Concerning line web components, we will build two line web components for our game. The main one that will be related directly to the record page, the contact record page, will be named LWC Fun Memory Game. And the second one, that is the child component, will be named LWC Fun Memory Grid. It is the component that will embed the game logic. And we will call that component from the memory, LWC Fun Memory Game component. And finally, concerning the record pages, we will use the standard contact record page to embed our components. Since the contacts are the players in our case, yes, the object contact is taken as a player object. That is all about the overview on the Salesforce tool that will be involved in our war game. Now we are going to play that game a little bit and enjoy it. Good. Here we are on the all contacts list view. And as you can see, we have many contacts inside this arc. Let us choose one of them in order to play with. I'm going to choose Chimba. Okay. We are going to first check the value of the number of victories field. For that, I'll scroll down. And as you can see, the number of victories field value is empty. It's empty since we have not yet played that game with this contact. That's the reason why it is empty. So it is the expected behavior. Let's scroll up and start playing that game. As you can see, the game screen is at the right. Let's click on the start button. Here we have the game grid containing the different cases we have to unhide in order to find the pairs. And down we have like a counter that shows the number of pairs we have already found. Let us start. Let's look for the money, the coin. Where is that? So difficult. Okay, okay. I'm not concentrating enoughly. Okay. Okay. Bingo. As you can see, we have one. Once we win, the replay button is displayed to allow the contact to play as much as he wants. Now we are going to check the value of the number of victories field. For that, let us refresh the page. Okay, let's move into the details tab and scroll down. As you can see, the number of victories is 1 because we have just one, and that is the expected behavior. So everything is working as expected. That is all about the find path game we build using Web components.